Here's a very short vlog on Somerset Dam camping or glamping. There is no electricity at Somerset Dam. There's no permit required for fishing, and there's very easy access. You can drive in a car quite easily to the main campground. It is a great place for camping or glamping if you don't want to take all the extra gear. There are electric barbecue supplied in the camping area. There are 2 boat ramps for easy access to the dam from the camping ground. Somerset is a beautiful camping area. It's approximately 30 minutes west of Beerwar. It is a great place to relax and just to be with nature. There is a fire pit supplied, but you have to bring your own wood. There is some electricity if you get a glamping site. Make sure you leave your pets at home and make sure you store your food safely away from our little visitors. The shashlik barbecue for dinner is just perfect. This is early morning next day. It is absolutely amazing, just absolutely magic to watch the sunrise from Somerset Dam. There is really great toilet block in the camping ground with showers and toilets. There are some really great hiking trails from this area. You can go off for a walk. And this is time to relax and enjoy the sunrise. Throw some bacon and eggs on the barbie, or some fresh caught red claw straight out of the dam. So enjoy your stay at Somerset Dam, and I hope you've enjoyed this very short vlog. Check out more of our videos on Aussies on Dream Travel, and I'd love to see you with the next one. This was just a spectacular morning with the sunrise over the dam. Have a lovely trip, and I hope you enjoy your stay at Somerset.